And it's gotta to be real. That's right.
No, no.
What my granddaddy would say. It gotta be real, son. All right, we're gonna the lady of the band gonna keep jamming, y'all. Do we have any Journey fans? Any Journey fans? Like anything? Journey.
Hi, Tiki.
All right. Sing that song. What's up, partners? How we doing? Y'all got lucky. Y'all got the same seats you had yesterday. Oh man, all right. I hear you. Free bird in there, is he? Hey, where y'all from? What's he say? North Carolina. Make some noise. North Carolina. North Carolina. Where you at? Yeah. Anybody from out of town? Where you from? Tennessee. Make some noise. Tennessee. Tennessee.
Hi, Tiki.
Anybody else? Anybody from South Carolina? Where the rest of y'all? Where the rest of y'all from then? Reedsville. Is that North Carolina? Your grandmother lived there? In Reedsville? Yeah, Weedsville or Reedsville with an R? Reed, like Reed's Jewelry. Like the jewelry store. Reed's Jewelry. That's some kind of town that Janis Joplin and Jimi Hendrix might have grew up in. Weedsville. You can play on that a little bit, you know. All right, Journey band. The lady of the band gonna do a Journey song for you. Classic song called Open Arms. Don't you? She's there?
Hi, Dick.
Watch out, fella.
Hi, Tiki.
She picked you on the hip now.